Lucy. Are you ready to play the vehicle game today?
Yes, I'm ready.
Okay, here's how it works. I'll play a sound, and you need to pick the vehicle that matches.
Okay, teacher.
All right, listen carefully. What vehicle is this?
It's the ambulance.
That's correct. Great job. Here comes the next one. What do you hear?
That's easy. It's a fire truck.
Awesome, you're so good at this. Okay, last one. What's this vehicle?
That's a police car.
Perfect. You got all 3 right. Fantastic job, Lucy. You're a vehicle sound expert now. Let's play again soon.
Yes, please. This was so much fun.
Try the vehicle game today. Learning has never been this fun.